India has just unleashed its new, divine weapon. In a stunning leap for tactical warfare, the Divyastra MK3, the nation's first-ever jet-powered kamikaze drone, has successfully completed its maiden flight. Hook. On the modern battlefield, the line between victory and defeat is measured in speed. And India just unveiled its answer. A weapon powered by a homegrown jet engine. This isn't just another drone, it's a declaration. We are breaking down how this revolutionary system could change the face of combat and what it says about India's rise as a global defense power. A defense startup from Lucknow called Kawa UAV made history. They announced the successful first flight of the Divyastra MK3, the first jet-powered loitering munition designed, developed, and manufactured entirely in India. What's truly shocking is the speed of development. The entire program went from a drawing board to the skies in a record-breaking timeline of less than a year. In the world of advanced military hardware, that's almost unheard of. Kawa UAV's announcement was bold. No imported jet engine. No foreign critical subsystem. Built in India. Flown in India. This isn't just a new weapon. It's a symbol of the nation's Atmanirbhar Bharat, or Self-reliant India, mission, proving the country's private defense sector can deliver next-generation technology at lightning speed. To understand why the Divyastra MK3 is a big deal, you have to understand its heart, the jet engine. For years, kamikaze drones like the Iranian Shahed 136 have been dominated by slow, propeller-driven designs. While effective, their slow speed and loud buzzing noise earned them the nickname mopeds of the sky, giving enemies a crucial window to shoot them down. The Divyastra MK3 shatters this limitation. By swapping the propeller for a turbojet, India has injected pure speed into the equation. Reports suggest the Divyastra can hit speeds over 350 km per hour, a massive jump over its propeller-driven cousins. This speed is a tactical game-changer. It drastically shrinks the reaction time for enemy air defenses, making the weapon incredibly difficult to intercept. It can race towards its target zone, hunt for high-value assets like mobile command posts or hidden artillery, and strike before the enemy even knows what's happening. Combined with a reported range of up to 500 kilometers and superior high-altitude performance for mountain warfare, the Divyastra MK3 fuses the endurance of a drone with the speed of a missile. The Divyastra MK3 is a fusion of two breakthrough technologies. First, the airframe from Kawa UAV is a sophisticated weapon system. It uses AI-enabled algorithms to hunt for targets autonomously. A human operator, safe behind the lines, simply gives the final command to strike, ensuring precision. It carries a 15 to 20 kilogram warhead, powerful enough to destroy command centers, air defense radars, and light armored vehicles. It's a high-speed, surgical scalpel for the modern battlefield. Second, the crown jewel, the indigenous jet engine from a New Delhi startup, DG Propulsion. Founded in 2019, the company's entire mission was to break India's dependence on foreign-made small jet engines, a critical vulnerability for decades. With this engine, India has finally shattered a massive technological barrier and joined the exclusive club of nations that can build their own jet engines for drones and missiles. We are tracking every development in India's defense revolution. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. The test of the Divyastra MK3 isn't happening in a vacuum. It's the direct result of India's national strategy for self-reliance. For decades, India was a top importer of weapons. Now, the government is fostering a new ecosystem where agile private startups like Kawa UAV and DG Propulsion can innovate and build world-class systems. Recent conflicts have shown that unmanned weapons are no longer a luxury. They are essential to winning wars. Having the ability to mass-produce these systems at home, without relying on anyone, provides a massive strategic advantage. The Divyastra MK3 sends a powerful message to adversaries and allies alike. India is no longer just a buyer of military technology. It is a creator, building a sovereign capability that is faster, smarter, and more uncompromising than ever before. The maiden flight of the Divyastra MK3 will be remembered as a pivotal moment. It's the successful fusion of a cutting-edge airframe from Kawa UAV with a game-changing indigenous jet engine from DG Propulsion. This is more than just a new drone. It's the physical embodiment of a self-reliant India. With its blend of speed, AI, and homegrown power, the Divyastra offers a terrifying glimpse into the future of the Indian military. A force that's more technologically advanced, self-sufficient, and lethal than ever. What do you think of India's new divine weapon? Let us know in the comments below.